Assalamu alaikum, hello kids! Today we have a new lesson in science and we will talk about cooling and heating matter. Before we start, the states of matter. Before we start, we have liquid, gas and solid. We have three states of matter. To show you the jelly, what will happen to the jelly after we change its matter. Also, I want you to remember that when we are talking about cooling, the things we put in cooler or fridge, freezer, okay, this is when we are talking about cooling. And when we are talking about heating, like when we put things in oven, okay? Keep this in your mind for today's lesson. I will add water here. Another one. Okay, here I'll pour it inside this and this. As you can see, now it's liquid here. And now, after we will cool it, let's see what will happen. Okay, let's take it out. And what will happen after we change it? It's different than the first one before we cool it or keep it outside. Now we have an egg here, as you can see. This is an egg, and here it's liquid. Now after we heat the egg, look what happened to it. It's totally different. It was liquid, then now look, it's kind of solid. Also here we have water, as you can see inside, and we are heating the water. So after we heat the water, what will happen to this state of matter? It was liquid. What will happen to it after we heat it? Okay, we'll wait 2 minutes and see what will happen. Okay, now after 2 minutes, look at the water. Can you see it? Because what happened to the water? It changes from liquid to gas. So as you can see here, I want you to observe how the ice cube is solid because it was in the freezer. So when we cool the water inside the freezer, what will happen to it? It will change from liquid to solid. And if we take out here the ice cube, if we take out the solid here outside of the freezer, what will happen to it? It will be liquid. So here, as you can see, it's temporary. We can change it temporary, not permanent. Here, okay. Now here I have orange inside. As you can see the orange. Do you see the orange? It's liquid. Do you see what state of matter is this? It is liquid. What I will do, I pour it inside. Look. It is what? It is liquid. And I will put it where? I will put it inside the freezer. Okay, so now after I took it out of the freezer, let's see what happened to it.
Wow.
So what is this now?
Popsicle.
Popsicle or ice cream.
Ice cream.
It was liquid. Now it is what? Solid. And if I keep this out of the freezer, what will happen to it?
It will melt.
It will melt.
And be
yes. Yes, it will be liquid. I want you to learn about the biscuit. How we change this matter from this dough to, we will see what happened after we heat it. I'm heating now. So as you can see, before we heat the dough. Before we heat the dough. Now you have this. Yes. Now we will put it inside the oven to observe how the matter will change. Now look at the dough after we heat it. What happened to it? Now it is solid. As you can see, it is solid. So this was our lesson for today. I hope you understand the meaning of cooling and heating matter. And for the last thing, I want to tell you about the biscuits. Here, as you can see it is solid, not as it was before, not a dough before. And if I want to change this biscuit back to it was before to a dough, can I change it? No, we can't change it. So this is permanent. We can't change it. It's not like the water if we want to change it back. No, we can't change it back. Now I'll send your mom how to make this biscuit recipe. Assalamu alaikum. Bon appetit.